Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your Amazon Prime subscription. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is open up Amazon and of course be logged into your account. What we're going to be doing is hovering over our profile username on the top right. We're going to be coming to the right under the account section and we're going to be clicking on the account option right here. From this point, we'll grab a section where we can see all different information about our account. What we're going to be looking for on the top right here is the Prime option. What we're going to be doing is clicking this open, and then here on the top, we will get an overview of our current Amazon Prime subscription. We'll see our name, we'll see our monthly subscription, we'll see our next renewal date, and then on the very right, we'll have the option to manage our membership. And that's the button we're going to be looking for, and we're going to be clicking to be able to change the settings for our actual Amazon Prime membership. Clicking this will give us some extra options. What we'll have here at the bottom is a section called Terminate Membership. And at the bottom of this, we'll have a button that says Terminate Membership again. What we're going to be doing is clicking this, and then we're going to be brought into the Terminate Membership flow, where we'll have to do a couple more checks to actually cancel our subscription. From this point, we'll get some more information and options for sending a reminder 3 days before your subscription so you can cancel then. We'll have the option to terminate our membership or keep our benefits. In this case, again, I'm just going to be continuing with the Terminate Membership option. Then one more time, we will get some extra options to cancel our subscription again. If we come to the bottom here, we will then have 2 more final options. One is cancel and lose our Prime membership from the next delivery date. So this basically means we will continue and finish our current month and we will not continue our subscription after that date. Or you'll have the option to cancel now, lose all of your Prime memberships right at this moment, and you will receive your monthly repayment back for this actual month. So here you'll have to choose depending on what you want to do. So you'll either be able to cancel and basically after the next month it will be cancelled, or you can cancel immediately and get your refund for this current month. In this case, I'm only going to be cancelling from the next month onwards, although you can choose what you would like here. And then finally, you'll get this last pop-up asking you to do a survey. This is totally optional. You can simply click the X button on the top right, and it's as easy as that to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.